The sandhill that we're currently reclaiming was a former emergency sand tailings area. The sand is generated from the beneficiation process. The phosphate matrix has three components. It's composed of sand, clay, and phosphate. And in our beneficiation process, the sand and the clay is separated from the phosphate. The sand is pumped as a slurry back to our reclaimed areas, and the clay is pumped to our clay settling areas. In the case of the sand, when sand is not pumped to our reclaimed areas, when we're switching lines or for other production reasons, we'll have emergency tailings areas where we will stockpile the sand, and then that sand will ultimately be used for reclamation. And in this particular project area, we used the sand area for quite a long time, and as a result, the sand was roughly 40 feet above the elevation where that wetland needs to be built. So what we've done is we've set up a push pit, which is similar to the process used in the mining operation, and there are dozers that are pushing the sand into a pit, similar to what's done in the phosphate matrix. The person with the water is spraying the water to convert the sand into a slurry. It's roughly 40% solids, and rather than having to haul that sand, we're converting it to a slurry and using our mining infrastructure to pump the sand to the mine pits where we need sand. After we remove the sand, the final contouring will be completed according to the approved reclamation design. In this particular area, there will be a 45-acre wetland that will be built, and we'll do the final contouring. We'll place muck on top of the wetland. Then we will plant the wetland according to the approved plans, and then we'll make it very hard to ensure that the hydrology is correct, do supplemental planting and maintenance to make sure it's a successful project.